Welcome back to this video on working with nullable types in Kotlin. We saw in our previous video that by default all variables are non-null and they must be explicitly declared as nullable. So we have our greeting, which is not null obviously here, and we got a compiler error when we tried to update the value to null. But we were able to use the question mark to create nullable variables. We have a nullable variable right here. Also in Kotlin by default, we cannot make method calls on nullable variables. So again, we have greeting here. We are calling the length method, and that returns an integer. And we know that greeting is non-null, and there is no compiler error here. Same thing with the calling the toUpperCase method on greeting. Again, greeting is not null, and we are able to return that string. And here we're just outputting the results of the method call. But if we come down here, we have declared up here a nullable variable called nullGreet. And let's try to call length on that variable. If we take away the comments, we see there's an error, and we see here that the call is not allowed because it is nullable. So let's remove that error by commenting that line back out and saving. So let's run this now. So we can go to this play button, which we have not been using, but this can be a little more convenient. It's just to the left of the main method. So we'll click here and click run, and we'll let it compile. So here we see the output here, nullable greeting, and we can see here the value of greeting. And if we come down here and we want to see a null, we declared a nullable variable called nullable greeting, and we gave it a value, and then we updated that value to null. And in this case, it works. So we're able to get that to compile and get results. We can see here the results from calling length on greeting and toUpperCase. We can see here the length is 12 and hello world. So stay tuned for more videos on nullable types in Kotlin.